Established in 1964 and restructured in 2007, the Shengji Group main campus covers an area of 158 acres. It is a leading enterprise, integrating design, R&D, manufacturing, and service. Shengji Group has 1,500 employees and 18 production plants with an annual revenue of $150 million. Shengji, with its well-equipped R&D centers and national-level laboratories, carries out strategic cooperation with multiple universities and research institutes of Sinopec. Shengji has 152 national patents granted and holds many API monogram licenses and ISO certifications. Additionally, various other honorary titles such as National Key High-Tech Enterprise, AAA Grade Credit Enterprise, Contract Abiding and Trustworthy Enterprise have been awarded. Shengji products and services cover 7 sections. Section 1, Conventional Drilling and Recovery Equipment, includes tubing and casing, precision rolling pipe, pumping units, downhole pumps, wellhead and Christmas tree, blowout preventers, pressure vessels, and oil recovery tools. Shengji has 25 years' experience in tubing and casing manufacturing. In 2009, China's first tubing upset production line was set up in Shengji. With premium connection and advanced inspection and testing equipment, SJ brand OCTG enjoys high popularity among the end users around the world. The annual output is 100,000 tons. In 2013, Shengji set up the precision rolling production line and developed precision rolling technology for Admiralty brass, P9, and Super 13 chrome tubes, which holds the lead in China. With its straightness error less than 0.1 millimeters and wall thickness deviation less than 0.35 millimeters, the subsequent honing time is greatly reduced. The annual output is 10,000 tons. Shengji produces a wide series of API 11E pumping units and unconventional pumping units ranging from C40 to C1824. Automatic blanking and robot welding were adopted to achieve high accuracy and efficiency of manufacturing the pump unit structures. Shengji is one of the top priority suppliers of JD, Shores, and Schlumberger. Shengji has 40 years' experience in designing and manufacturing API 11AX downhole pumps. We participated in the development of the national standard, a variety of special processes such as spray metal plating, boronizing, nitriding, nickel carbide composite coating, and chrome plating have been introduced to improve the anti-corrosion and anti-abrasion performance of products. Shengji is the only Chinese manufacturer of brass pumps in batches. The maximum pump diameter is 6 inches. With more than 40 years' experience in designing and manufacturing wellhead and Christmas trees, Shengji has obtained PR2 certificates for gate valve, choke valve, tubing head, and casing head. Shengji is a designated well control experimental base of Sinopec and undertakes all kinds of hydraulic pressure and airproof tests. The maximum pressure is 35,000 psi. Shengji specializes in designing and fabricating National Class 1, 2, and 3 and ASME pressure vessels. Main products cover storage tanks, separator, and heating furnaces. The products have been widely used home and abroad and are highly acclaimed by the clients. Section 2. Complete sets of thermal recovery solutions, including steam boilers, thermal recovery wellheads, vacuum-insulated tubing and casing, and thermal recovery downhole pumps. The steam boiler is characterized by unattended operation, produced water re-injection, 100% steam dryness, and 85% efficiency. The market share in Shengji oil field is 100% and have been successfully exported to Sudan and Albania. VIT and VIC use dual-layer insulation couplings, self-righting donuts, and aerogel blankets, which greatly minimize the heat loss during steam injection. The series of thermal recovery wellheads and sucker rod pumps can realize the integrated operation of steam injection and oil recovery. Shengji provides customers with a clean, efficient, one-stop thermal solution. Section 3. Anti-corrosion and anti-abrasion solutions. Aiming at solving the eccentric wear and corrosive problems in oil fields, Shengji rolled out diversified anti-corrosion and anti-abrasion products: HDPE liner tubing, epoxy-coated tubing, composite-plated tubing, coated sucker rods, anti-corrosion downhole pump, and anti-H2S wellhead. For instance, the composite-plated tubing and HDPE tubing have high corrosion and wear resistance, which can effectively solve the problems of eccentric wear, perforation, and scaling. The repair free time has been extended by 5 to 10 times. Section 4. Multi-phase metering solutions. Shengji provides customized metering solutions for complex field conditions such as heavy oil, high gas content oil, foamy oil, and serious slug flow oil, and develops a series of metering products with the metering error controlled at 2 to 3%. Shengji has the only national multi-phase flow laboratory of Sinopec. Section 5. Tertiary recovery equipment. Main products contain a set of mobile chemical flooding, mixing, and injection equipment, a set of microbial displacement and injection equipment, offshore polymer device, etc. Section 6. Intelligent manufacturing. Shengji has launched a series of high-intelligence products. Typically, an intelligent workover cyst adopts advanced robot closed-loop control, fault early warning, remote monitoring, and one-key operation, which saves manpower and enhances safety. Section 7. Engineering services. Shengji can independently contract production line design and installation, offshore drilling platform maintenance, steam injection service, well metering service, and so on. Adhering to quality first, customer supreme, Shengji Group stresses the construction of the quality system and laboratories. Since 1996, Shengji has successfully obtained certification of ISO 9001, HSE, API 5CT, 11AX, 11E, 6A, 16A, ASME US, CE. Shengji has established 4 national basic laboratories: Physical Laboratory, Chemical Laboratory, Precision Measurement Laboratory, and Thermal Instrumentation Laboratory. Additionally, advanced inspection and testing equipment guarantee the product's quality is leading level. Shengji designs a series of solutions to different problems occurring in oil field productions. Typical solutions include artificial lift solutions for coal bed methane drainage. Apart from oil and gas recovery, Shengji also successfully applies the oil recovery equipment to other energy fields. We undertook the drainage process design, product selection, and complete sets of coal bed methane mining projects in Guizhou and Xinjiang Province, China. Thermal recovery solutions for Bankers oil field. Shengji provides one-stop heavy oil recovery solutions for Bankers oil field in Albania, including steam injection boilers, water treatment devices, pumping units, thermal wellhead, VIT and VIC, injection and recovery pumps, thermal packers. The oil recovery efficiency has been greatly enhanced. Anti-corrosion and anti-abrasion solutions for Bahrain. Shengji solved the problem of tubing corrosion in high CO2 and H2S wells with HDPE liner tubing in Bahrain. The repair-free time has been extended by 5 to 10 times. Multi-phase flow meter solutions for MPE3 oil field in Venezuela. This solution adopts dual separators and weighing method to solve the metering challenges like high viscosity, high gas content, and foam oil. Responsible to the customers, responsible to the shareholders, responsible to the society. Shengji has been committed to comprehensive oil and gas solutions for more than 50 years. 11 subsidiaries and several offices have been set up home and abroad. The products have been exported to more than 60 countries, and Shengji has built up partnerships with a number of world-class companies such as Sinopec, CNPC, CNOOC, Shell, Oxy, Chevron, GE, Schlumberger, Halliburton, NOV, Weatherford, and more. Let's come together and work for a shared future.